name is Lily, I'm 3 years old. Summer is sunny, bright and bold. I wear my t-shirt, shorts and shoes, sandals on and up I go. Ooh, I love summer, yes I do. Hot and sunny skies so blue. I love summer, fun all day. Let's all laugh and sing and play. I love summer. I go to the beach, I splash in the sea, playing with friends, so happy me. We eat ice cream, yum, yum, yum. Summertime is so much fun.